So I'm gonna make simmered mackerel with miso. Where Japanese people call saba no miso ni. Saba mean mackerel. Okay. I'm gonna show you how to make it. So I'm gonna make simmered with mushroom, eringi, and shiitake, and I use daikon radish because I just keep in my refrigerator. Also long leek. So basic item, I have to make kombu dashi, kombu stock. I'm gonna make it kombu, and good flavor from two slices of ginger and secret item. It's chili pepper. So using brown sugar and my favorite white soy sauce, shirodashi, and mirin, and this one is sake. Also, I'm gonna make miso. So I'm just get from market. This one is liquid miso. So this says shellfish flavor red miso, liquid miso. I'm gonna use it. So you can use like a regular paste miso. It's the same, but I'm just trying this one because shellfish flavored added already. Okay. So I'm already cut mackerel and cut daikon radish. So a little bit thin slice, because I love simmered daikon. So you better cut it. This is where Japanese people call mentori, cutting edge side. This one is 1 liter water and the switch. Kombu in 2 slices of ginger in. Daikon. Chili pepper, eringi, shiitake, mackerel, brown sugar. This is a white soy sauce, shirodashi. This is shirodashi. And this is mirin. Mirin. Sake. It's a sake. Okay, clean up surface. And little soy sauce. I'm just a basic flavor. Mmm, good. So, putting the liquid miso, this one, liquid miso. You can use the regular miso. High flame now, boiling down. Try to taste again. It's good. So I'm gonna try to make a more rich taste, rich flavor, more strong miso flavor. Added miso. Total about 100 cc. It's okay. And with the lid. And low flame. I guess takes about half an hour to start. Low flame. Okay, done. Simmered mackerel with miso flavored. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good day.